Magandang hapon, batchmates! Ako po si Filipina de Guzman. You can call me Fina for short. Ako po ay 10 taon na dito sa Dubai, UAE. I am working as personal assistant to the managing director of Alpha Tours. Ang Alpha Tours po is one of the leading destination management company in the UAE. I have learned the basics to advance. I have acquired the skills and the techniques to become professional on it. Sa ngayon, nag-enroll ako ng videography with Pinoy Group. Gusto kong matutunan ang skills at techniques para maging isang professional na videographer. And who knows, maybe sooner or later, it could be a backup to my career. Maraming salamat po and good luck.